Alright guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you why your computer might be running slow and what we can do about it. Alright, reason number one is you might have too many programs running, and the way to know that you're running a lot of programs, you look on the bottom right hand corner of your computer, and if you see a lot of icons with a lot of programs running down there, that means you're running too many programs, and quite frankly you're not supposed to be running so many of them, and that can slow down your computer. Also, another way to check, if you're on Windows 7 or below, click on Start, and then in the search type in msconfig, and if you go to the Startup tab here, you should be able to see how many programs are running. As you can see, I have a lot of programs on this computer, but I'm only running a few of them here, and in fact I want to disable those. So you go to Disable All right here. You disable all except your antivirus. Very important, except your antivirus. Click Apply, then OK. Exit without restart for now. And that's how you close down those programs, but I will get into more depth in the next video on how to do that. Another reason could be spyware and viruses. Now, with spyware and viruses, what they do is they hijack your computer's memory, and I mean, it depends. There's different spyware and different viruses. Some spyware will keep popping ads at you. Some viruses will just slow down your computer to a screeching halt. So I will teach you guys how to get rid of spyware and viruses on the next video here. Right now I just want to explain why this is happening. Or your computer might be outdated. If you have an old computer and you're installing new software from these days, that could be why. And you could check to see if you have an outdated computer by clicking Start. Right click Computer, go to Properties, and then right there will tell you what you're running, right? For example, I'm running a quad-core processor here with 2.9 gigahertz, 6 gigs of RAM, which is okay, but kind of outdated by nowadays. I need to upgrade, but it still does what I need it to do. Alright guys, go ahead and click right here, and I will go through on how to speed up your computer. We will go through how to close all the programs that are running that you don't need. I will go through how to clean your computer and spyware and viruses, and how to get more in depth about seeing if your computer is outdated. So go ahead and click right here, guys, on the right hand side of the screen right here, and we will go through that right now. And I will also explain how to do it on Windows 10 if you're using Windows 10 or Windows 8. Alright guys, see you soon in that video. Go ahead and click right there.